Hello everyone, my name is Samiksha and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my real Indigo cabin crew interview experience in Delhi. This journey was not easy for me at all. I attended my interview while I was dealing with serious health issues, traveling with fever, and medical support, but still choosing not to give up on my dream. This video is not just about an interview, it's about strength, patience, and believing in yourself. Even when things are so difficult, like so difficult. Before I begin, I want to say that this video is completely based on my personal experience, and my intention is to share my journey honestly so it can motivate others who are on the same path. So yeah, come to the point. My interview was held in Connaught Place, Delhi, and I went to the venue with my friend Tanya, who was also appearing for the interview that day, having her with me from the very beginning made the journey a little easier and more calming. The reporting time was like 10 a.m., but anyone who has been from Connaught Place knows how confusing it can be, especially for first timers because of the location confusion. We got little late and finally reached the venue around 10:40 a.m. At that moment, my heart was beating very fast because I was scared they might not allow entry. Then what can I do? So once we entered, the staff checked our documents and given my token number is 84. There were already many candidates present and everyone was discussing what kind of question we're being asking and which round was going on. After receiving the token, we had to wait for very long time, like very long time. The waiting area was full of nervous energy. Some candidates were revising their introduction, some were praying, and some were quietly observing like what's going on. During this time, we came to know that the same question was being asked to almost everyone in the introduction round, and that question was like, where did you travel last? As soon as I heard this, Vrindavan came directly to the mind because that was the last place I had visited. When my token number 84 was called, I went inside feeling nervous but prepared. The interview asked me, where did you travel last? I confidently answered that I had visited Vrindavan with my friends. I explained that Vrindavan is my dream place, a place I was wanted to visit and where I feel peace and positivity. I kept my answer calm, honest, and positive. I then share that I visited beautiful places like Prem Mandir, Banke Bihari Temple, and later Barsana, which is very historical and a spiritual place. I also mentioned that I bowed. Wait a second. So yeah, I also mentioned that I bought a small kanaji with myself and I tried traditional dresses or traditional things like kesar lassi and kesar milk and truly experienced the local culture. I also shared one small incident where we met some of the foreigners, tourists who were confused about the routes and we helped them, which showed my friendly nature and communication skills. After listening to my answer, the interviewer said, smile and said, thank you, Anjali. Your experience is so good. Hearing this gave me a very positive feeling, and somewhere in my heart, I felt hopeful. However, at the end, it was announced that no one was selected from this round. So it's so disappointment. I know I answered so well from my side. Still no. Even then, I did not accept this at the end because I strongly believe that a rejection does not define your capability. One more beautiful part of my interview day was meeting some of my cute and supportive subscribers at the venue. Meeting them in person made me really happy and emotional, and I truly feel blessed to have such a supportive people who motivates me. I also want to mention my friend Tanya again because she is such a calm, positive, and grounding person. Her patience was like helped me so much. Like I was so ill and she helped me a lot. without her I can't like go to the venue. There is one thing this journey has taught me. This is that rejection, delays, health issues, or tough days do not decide your worth. What truly matters is your mindset and your courage to keep going. Even though I was not selected that day, I choose to believe that every experience is preparing me for something better. To everyone watching this video who is preparing for the cabin crew interview or chasing a big dream, please do not give up on yourself. Trust the process, keep improving, and keep moving forward. Your time will come. If this video motivate you even a little, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to know more about cabin crew, you can just follow me on my Instagram. And in my next video I will share, I also go for the interview on the 20th, so how was the that day went, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.